Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I have a package. And this package, I'm gonna get to the side here. Welcome everybody. I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna gracefully open it. Here, let's see what's from Ashley. It's from Crashley. Crashley, well, you don't want to see her address either. You didn't see it. Oh my goodness, it's Sunday morning and the DPFon is going on and I'm trying to be productive and just not having a great morning of doing that. I got laundry going. I think I woke up with pink eye. I know, it's just been a wonderful weekend. Oh, now I'm gonna go to work with that this week. All right, let me do this off camera. It'll go a lot quicker. Or maybe not. Ashley, you wrapped this really, really good. Or maybe Kerwin, her husband, maybe he wrapped it. Okay, we're back. And it's paper. Oh, look, this is for the giveaway. So Ashley, Crashley, whatever you want to refer to her, sent pens for our giveaway. I don't know if this is one or two. I think there was supposed to be two for the giveaway. But anyway, she made a couple of clay pens for the Valentine giveaway. Woohoo! And Journey Girl. Yes, this is the Journey chick. So, card from Ashley, and it says, look how pretty. It says, I want to just make sure, because you never know what to expect from Crashley. I hope you enjoy your goodies. So glad we became such good gnomies. I feel so lucky to have gotten to know you. Give Barry a kiss for me. See, Ashley, I had to name the gnome contest. Ashley won. She named my gnome Barry. So I have Barry the gnome. And based on that, we have come up with a couple of things I thought the community might enjoy, might want to purchase from AshWin Crafts and Treasures. Can you guys see that? AshWin Crafts and Treasures. It's all one word, AshWin Crafts and Treasures at gmail.com. And she's got a Facebook. I'll put all that down in the description. Let's get rid of the box. We're not going to open the pens until later, but we're going to open we're going to open this pen. We're not going to open the giveaway pens because we saw those last week during my live. Those will be part of the grand prize for the giveaway Valentine collaboration between GB Maltese and myself. So this will be a sale item that Ashley's going to have in her store. Look! I asked her if she could do some gnome pens for us. And here is one of them. Design some gnome pens. I think she designed this one and maybe Kerwin designed the other one. And these are so, so cute. So these will be for sale in her shop. She's got a 3-placer on one end, single placer on the other. This is the second. This is the one I think Kerwin designed. They were having a little contest. I don't know which way it goes. Or maybe it's the other way around. What in the world is this, Kerwin? Okay, I guess this gnome oh, I see. He's got a larger beard than the other guy. How funny. So we've got two. All right, this is the one that Kerwin designed. This is the gnome from Kerwin's design. And this is it's on the front and the back. How funny. It's a cover minder. And then we have the one from Ashley's design. And that is a cover minder. So, so cute. So I will show those off today during my live. Then we have another little secret. I love the way she wraps things. And now I've got this ribbon that I can play with and do another craft. Oh my gosh, right? Now, So she said, I'm going to throw in a couple of some other things for you to unbox. Oh my God, look how cute. Drilling with the gnomes. How adorable. And so it's got this little mushroom base here. So what you do is you break it. Oh my God, seriously? Did I break this? Oh no, it didn't break. Okay. Oh my God, Rebecca. All right. You jump it off the counter and you break it. They go in there like that while you're diamond painting. I don't know if you can see. So before I try to break it again, you put that into there so while you're diamond painting. Or the red one while you're diamond painting. So the other one that Kerwin did, both have 3 placers, which I'm going to replace with a 4 placer because I like me a 4 placer. How adorable is that? Drilling with my gnomies. Did I not say that before? Drilling with my gnomies. So this did not break, it just comes in and out. So you can put like a little cap on it, I guess. I don't know. Who knows? She'll tell me why it goes in and out. I'm sure there's a reason to make it fit. But how cute is that? So if you want to, oh my God, what is wrong with me today? Thank God it didn't break that time either. I'm just throwing things everywhere. Okay, stop throwing things. If you are interested in purchasing these items, I will put Ashley's contact information down in the description, or she may be in the chat and you can chat with her. So pens, cover minders, and a holder for your gnomies. And then of course, the Valentine pin, which is an exclusive for our event. So guys, take care. I will see you in the next video. Here's her contact information one more time. She's in New Bloomfield, Missouri. AshWin Crafts and Treasures. See you later.